amazing. This is my niece, you guys. Her name is Tamari, and she told me what it's like. I don't really got no type. I just want to fuck all night. Yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Baby, I need to know, whoa. I just been fantasizing, and we got a lot of time. Baby, come throw the pipe. Gotta know what it's like. Yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Baby, I need to know, whoa. And then I go, what's your size? Add, subtract, divide. I'm not doing my fucking makeup. This is all I'm focused on. What's your size? Add, subtract, divide. Daddy don't throw no curves. Hold up, I'm going wide. We could just start at 10, then we could go to 5. I don't play with my pen. I mean what I write. Yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I just can't help but be sexual. Give me your schedule. I got a lot of new tricks for you, baby. Just saying I'm flexible. I do what I can to get you off. Might just fuck 'em with my makeup on. Should have been off, not on.
Crazy.
I didn't change it. I could have changed that, but whatever. Eat it like I need it. Hold on. What is that? I can have be sexual. We're doing sexual. We're doing tricks for you, baby. Just saying, okay. I got a lot of new tricks for you, baby. Just say I'm flexible. I do what I can. I do what I can to get you off. Might just fuck 'em with my makeup on. Eat it like I need an apron on. Eat it till I need to change my thong. We could do it to your favorite song. Take a ride into the danger zone. You know my nigga be bugging me. I just be wondering if you could fuck on me better. Itching for it like an ugly sweater. Need it in me like a chucking need cheddar. I need to know. I really want to go hang out with my friends, but I'm going to finish the second verse for you guys. Jack! I'll be out in a second. Don't come in here. I'm alive. Let me see your shoes. Put your foot up. Those are cute.
They're pony.
That's good.
Hi.
Don't get on live. Stop.
Sorry.
I have to read my lyrics to my fans. Hi.
How are you?
I'm great.
Get into it as a jammer. Yeah. That shit.
Get the fuck out.
That shit going crazy.
Get the fuck out of this room right now. Close the door. Second.
Oh no.
Second verse. To need to know is. So it's the hook as the fantasizing, blah blah blah. So I go. This is the stuff before the verse. So I go, you're exciting, boy, come find me. Your eyes told me, girl, come ride me. Fuck that feeling, both us fighting. Could he try me? Most likely. Then I say, trying to see if you can handle this ass. Probably give his ass a panic attack. Sorry if I gave a random... No, I'm busy. Sorry if I gave a random erection. Probably thinking I'm a telekinetic. Oh, wait, you a fan of the magic? Poof pussy like a alakazam. I heard from a friend of a friend that dick was a 10 out of 10. I can't stand it. Just one night me. Clink with the drink, give me a sip. Tell me what's your kink, give me the dick. Spank me, slap me, choke me, bite me. Oh, wait, I can take it. Give a fuck about what your wifey's saying. That's need to know. I might stop here. So I want to go hang out. I want to do my makeup. I can't do my makeup because I'm so excited about this fucking album and having you guys here and we're finally talking about it. That I don't want to do anything where I'm not talk. Like I can't talk and do this shit at the same time. But reading the lyrics to you is really fun. this call. I love you. I'll be back tomorrow. Okay. I guess that didn't work.
Okay. All right, man.